Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Reachability analyzer from a VPC. This is a very helpful feature so that AWS provide to us in order to troubleshoot every connection error in our infrastructure. Let's say we have an application that involves a lot of resources, but for some reason um, the web page is not loading, or you cannot reach your recently created EC2 or some resources that you just created. This feature, the researchability analyzer, will help you to create a path to analyze all the network infrastructure and see where the problem is. So let's go to the VPC area, and here you will find a lot of options in the left menu, but here in the network analysis you can see the reachability analyzer. Here you will have to create a path. You can name it my path for instance, and I'm going to set the source. In this case it will be an instance that I have running. I will put this one, and the destination, it will be the internet. In this case, the internet gateway that I have in my infrastructure configuration. You can specify a port if the communication between your instances or your resources are from a specific port, or also a protocol here, TCP or UDP. You can add a tag here. As you remember, as a best practice on AWS or any cloud provider, is to use a tags to identify or to put a description in your cloud resources. Then I'm going to create my new path. It's just okay, it got created, and now the analysis is running. As you can see, here is pending. So I'm going to pause the video and resume when this analysis is done. Okay, it's now completed, and as you can see here, the reachability status, it says that it is reachable, which means that my instance can reach out the internet through the internet gateway. If you click on the ID, you will see a better description of all of the components that were analyzed. And as you can see here, the instance is the processing area, and also it goes through the network interface, the security group, the ACL, the root table, finally the internet gateway, and that's the last resource that was analyzed. All of these resources were able to communicate to each other, which is the expected behavior on a good infrastructure, and there is no problem here. But if you find a problem, let's say in the root table or the ACL, it will be very very easy for you to troubleshoot the problem if all of these first 3 or 4 steps were able to communicate, and then the problem is the ACL. Then you need to go to check the configuration or the root table depending on the issue. Okay, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel, and let's take a look on all playlists. You will find a lot of tutorials about several technologies and platforms. Bye.